Hello, my darlings. Today we're going on a culinary adventure to Armenia. We're making lavash. This thin flatbread is a cornerstone of Armenian cuisine. It's soft, pliable, and perfect for scooping up dips or wrapping around delicious fillings. Lavash is more than just bread. It's a symbol of Armenian culture and hospitality. Imagine warm lavash, fresh from the oven, its aroma filling your kitchen. That's what we're aiming for. Don't be intimidated. Lavash might seem exotic, but it's surprisingly easy to make. With my simple guide, you'll be baking like a pro in no time. Ready to get started? Let's gather our ingredients. You'll find most of these in your pantry already. It's all about simple ingredients shining brightly. 1 cup warm water. It should feel just slightly warm to the touch, like a warm bath. 1 teaspoon sugar. This helps activate the yeast and adds a touch of sweetness. 2 teaspoons active dry yeast. This is our rising agent, making the lavash light and airy. 1 teaspoon salt, just a pinch to enhance the flavors. 3 cups all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour for a chewier texture. 2 tablespoons olive oil. For a lovely flavor and a soft dough, see? Nothing too fancy. Now let's move on to the fun part, making the dough. Now for the transformation. We're going to transform these humble ingredients into beautiful lavash. In a large bowl, dissolve the sugar and yeast in the warm water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. This means the yeast is active and ready to work its wonder. Add the salt and olive oil to the yeast mixture. Gradually add the flour, 1 cup at a time, mixing until a dough forms. If the dough feels sticky, add a little more flour, a tablespoon at a time. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This is a great way to work out any stress. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it with a clean kitchen towel, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour, or until it doubles in size. Punch down the dough to release any air bubbles. Divide it into 6 equal portions. Roll out each portion into a thin circle or oval, about 1/8 inch thick. You can make them any shape you like. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. Cook each lavash for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until lightly browned and puffed up. Congratulations, you've made lavash. Your kitchen must smell heavenly. Now let's talk about how to enjoy your freshly baked lavash. Lavash is best served warm, straight off the griddle. Wrap it around grilled meats, cheeses, and vegetables for a delicious and satisfying meal. You can also use it to scoop up dips like hummus, baba ganoush, or tzatziki. If you have any leftovers, though I doubt it, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. To reheat, simply sprinkle them with a little water and warm them up in a pan or oven. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can add different herbs and spices to the dough for extra flavor. Try adding chopped fresh herbs like dill or parsley, or spices like cumin or paprika. Let me know your favorite combinations in the comments below. Enjoy, my darlings! Happy baking!